Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ederlyn Laico from Tagudin, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I am 33 years old, a high school graduate. I am single parent. I have 3 kids, age 13, 10, 7 years old. I've been worked before here in Philippines for 4 years. I served 5 family members of the family. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing, and take care of 6 months old babies. I also work in Kuwait. Finish contract. I served 6 family members. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, ironing, washing, cooking with my madam, and look after the 16 years old special child. Madam and sir, if you choose me, I will promise my very best and I will focus my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.